Alright, so now we're going to look at the difference between Google, like a Google Doc and a Word doc. So if you think about the difference between McDonald's and Burger King, it's a lot of the same idea. So Google has kind of the same products as Word, but they're just in a different format and they're with a different brand. So if you look at Word, Word has some more complex fonts and tables and publishing features. But your files are pretty much locked onto one computer, flash drive, or network, and it's very expensive. Okay, with Google, your documents are on the internet, always just like that video talked about. You can insert images easily. It's very easy to use. It doesn't have as many features as Word. Okay, and you can have real-time collaboration, which means two people can be in the same document at the same time. Okay, but the thing that they both have in common is that they both can make simple docs, spreadsheets, and more. So just like Microsoft Office has Word and Excel and PowerPoint, Google has those same ideas, but they call them Google Docs, Google's Slides, and Google Sheets. Alright, so Google Drive, you guys have a U drive, and previously you've saved your files onto your U drive or just onto your actual hard drive onto your computer. Saving files on Google Drive is a little bit better because you can work from home, okay? And like that video talked about, you can instantly share things with people. You don't have to keep emailing them the same or the newest version of the document that you have. Everyone that has the document will automatically have the newest version. So there's not a bajillion emails going around about sharing the most and latest and greatest version. Okay, you can access your Google Drive anywhere on the internet, so you can access it from anywhere, which is nice. It's all backed up and storage, backed up by the cloud, which is good. And just like that video talked about, and we're going to look at this a little bit more, anytime you're working in a document, it's automatically saving everything that you're doing, so you never have to worry about forgetting to go to that file and save. Okay, file and save is something that you only have to do in Microsoft Office, but in Google that's not something that you have to do. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the different kind of drives that you have. Okay, so this is what your Google Drive should look like. It should look similar to something like this. Okay, you'll have a couple of different drives over here on the side. Okay, your My Drive, that is where you can access all of your personal Google Docs or things that you have in your drive. Okay, this is something that you can organize and put in folders and folders within folders or however you kind of want it to look. This is very similar to your U drive, but only again, this is all online so you can access it from anywhere. Okay, and you have a lot of those other features and benefits of Google that we talked about. Okay, your Shared With Me drive, now this is just something that's always going to be a huge mess. A lot of people get stressed out about this part. They think, oh, I need to go in and organize it. Okay, that's not the case. This is something that will always kind of be a big dumping ground. So this is a big dumping ground for all the files that people send to you. So people might send you stuff that you don't really want or you don't really need. Okay, and that's why they have the Shared With Me drive, because it acts kind of like a filter. So the document will go into here first, and then you can move it into My Drive. Okay, so for example, if I got this document called Graph Types, and I wanted to move it into My Drive, I could come up to where it says Add to My Drive, and it would then go into your My Drive folder. Okay,